Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing STL Patreon for 2023. This is part 5. I hope you guys have a great week so far. Haircut, clean shave, but anyhow, subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy it. Check out our Patreon Discord down the bottom as well. This is for D&D STL files and Warhammer proxy files for 3D printers and so forth. So we'll be getting into it now. So we have STL Creator Sampler. Basically, they have Kickstarters and other. Ooh, somebody I didn't take off the thing for it. But we have Kickstarter for minis and also other Patreon that does it as well that you can go check out as well. I am gonna close the alert box. There you go. But yeah, so if you're interested, you guys go take a look on there. We have M3 3D 3DM. M3. This is also another. She has some free files out, but for the D&D, she does D&D mini sculpts. And she's pretty new for it, but you can get this first model variant recap gallery for it. But she does pop out stuff here and there. Let's see here. Next one is Dragon's Lake. This is for like Warhammer Fantasy or Age of Sigmar proxies, or you can use it for D&D if you're doing stuff. So we have the Skinks for it, the Chameleon writing it, and Warhammer's updating for it as well. So this is going to be July pack right here for your Skinks army if you're interested, or you want to have a Chameleon folk for your D&D, that's fine too. But it's for like proxies for the Sigmar and stuff. Nutshell is a 3D figure modeling for it. Let's see, we have anything for July. I think the Witch Doctor is for July. So Witch Doctor from Diablo 3, as you can see, animified. Uh, project started. I didn't believe he does one figure a month for it. K10 sculpts another figure as well. I think for this one, we have Underworld. I did not care for the movie, just to tell you the truth, for it. So you get that if you're into. They do a lot of movie and anime figure prop as well. Sci-fi character for this as well. Bait Koten. So yeah, a lot of good stuff if you're interested for it. Steven Elfie's Grip, same thing, like movie TV figure as well. We have Red Sonja, looks like it, coming out nicely for this. Oh, that's May 23rd. Here should be done with it. So, are you doing anything for? I think the last one the update was Bo Katan, so you want a Slooty Bo Katan, go for it. Next one is Myth Bowl RN. These are for Blood Bowl stuff. July, yeah, it looks like we have a halfling type for your Blood Bowl. I I don't know anyone that plays Blood Bowl. If you guys do, leave it down in the comments. Let me know. For now, we got halfling Blood Bowl for this. Next one is Chinchilla STL collection, another figure collection. I don't think this has been any updates so far. Marvel vs. Capcom. I think this person is on hiatus. So we'll go next one. Broken Anvil. I don't do any more minis anymore, but I do are selling paints. So you want to do some painting tutorials? Probably a good site to see, or watch me paint on my videos for that. Asgard Rising is if you're playing like Elder Scrolls style like D&D, this might be good for you guys as well. This is a June release. They don't have anything for July yet, so they believe they got a Kickstarter out for it. There's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff should be out, but Nelson just Dragon Ball figures. We have Goku Super Saiyan 3. Looks like he's working on right now. And Kid Buu was in June, so yeah, I think it is Super Saiyan 3. I think it's working on the face. That's got the box in it, but yeah. So if you got Super Saiyan 3 figure, you're into Dragon Ball, go for it. Breed. I think it's another figure one. I don't know what we're having right now. Hellfire Club. Let's see here without the music. Full screen. So, there's a Hellfire Club. So yeah, there's a figure coming out for July. That's with the red Nightcrawler and the I forgot who are these. These are, I think one is the actual vampire. That's a good sculpt for it. Forge Hammer, Warhammer Proxy as well. So we have March and April. Nothing for July. Cross Lance, another D&D stuff, and also tape war table for D&D styles with July. Hera Stone, looks like it. I think this one's a very cheap one, but I mean a cheap print. But we have centaurs too, so if you want centaurs, that might be good for it as well. I have too many of them. Next one is Dai Mayu 3D. I think she's doing Bo Katan because last month was Peach, and this one is now Bo Katan working on. So you want a Slutty Bo Katan, go for it. I'm not really a big fan of Star Wars. Sorry about that. Cordos 3D Studio, another good figure. Gwen Venom, I want that. Yeah, Gwen Venom. Yeah, Gwen Venom would be pretty cool to get. I do like Venom and different Venom types. So we have Gwen Venom coming up. So yeah, Gwen Venom, get it. If you're into Spider-Man, especially the Spider-Verse, I also have some Gwen comics, but get it. Via Victus. I don't know what the hell they have for June. Looks like we have a Bootylicious Jester. 5 Jesters. We have modular sets and pre-built for it. And looks like these are Tom folks for it for D&D. Highlands, they do a lot of Warhammer proxies, especially Age of Sigmar for it. If it loads, I think we're doing the actual fantasy part of Warhammer proxies for it. I want to play it. It's just I don't have anyone to play it with. But yeah, looks like we have proxies for it, and they have their own rules for their Warhammer. Their rules for their own war tabletop games as well. Anime Girl STL. I know this is going to be the for July from the Alchemy series. But looks like there's no rendering for it right now. Table Hammer parts for July for Warhammer and Age of Sigmar and stuff. Looks like nothing came out for July yet. We'll get back to it once they release more stuff. And Maker Cult for it. They're doing Are they doing Tyranids? July part. I think they're doing Sisters of Battle. No, that's actually pretty brutal having these four carrying it. We have drop pods, very small drop pod. These are like Warhammer proxies and they're War Tabletop proxies. So I don't know a lot of the units, but you probably guys do um, for it. Just let me know. But some of these look pretty good for your Imperial. Yeah, and I think these would be good for your Imperial stuff for this too. That'd be probably kind of cool. Okay, our Kev 3D Studio, the other anime sculpt for it. I think we're doing the Joker Jester, or I don't know. This might be from an actual game format as well. But we have that's coming up, and this is your July as well. Fizz and Mari from I think this is from Chrono Cross, And I don't know what this is from. Last but not least, we'll do the Dragon's Rest. These are terrain pieces. Uh, for this, we have, looks like doors. Stuff for doors looks like it. I don't know, probably corner pieces for doors. That would be really useful. So I think these are corner pieces for like doorways and stuff. So yeah, that would be freaking useful, especially for my tabletop game. So yeah, so that's what's gonna be for July. I hope you guys do enjoy. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you guys later. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Have a great day, guys. Bye.